Today we're going to read Can't Sleep Without Sheep by Susanna Leonard Hill, illustrated by Mike Wanautka. Ava had a hard time falling asleep. Her mind was always busy. Try counting sheep, suggested her mother. So she did. 1 sheep jumping over the fence. 2 sheep jumping over the fence. 3 sheep jumping over the fence. But her mind was full of ideas and questions, thoughts of today, and plans for tomorrow. Night after night, the sheep had to jump the fence many times.
"Can we please stop?" asked the sheep. "We're exhausted."
"No, I need you to keep jumping," said Ava.
"In that case," said the sheep, "we quit."
"You can't quit," said Ava. "How will I get to sleep?"
"Don't worry, we will find a replacement," they promised.
Horses seemed like the best choice, but they were so beautiful that Ava made the fence higher and wider to see how well they could jump.
"Horses are too much fun," said the sheep. "We need somebody less pretty. Send in the chickens."
The chickens tried to get over the fence. They wanted to get over the fence. Ava laughed and laughed, but she did not go to sleep.
"We need somebody less ridiculous," said the sheep. "Pigs?"
The pigs were not in any hurry. 1 pig over the fence, said Ava. Then she had to wait while the others stopped to snack.
"Pigs are too slow," decided the sheep.
The cows were a complete disaster. This was harder than the sheep thought, but they were just getting started. The penguins looked at the fence, then looked at themselves.
"We need a plan,"
they said.
"Next,"
said the sheep. The hippos waddled forward.
"This could take a while,"
said one sheep. The animals grew impatient. "Is it our turn?" asked the herd of buffalo.
"No, we're next,"
shouted the flamingos, the armadillos, and the beavers. "We'll see about that," roared the buffalo. The stampede began as the buffalo charged the fence. Dust rose in clouds. Splinters flew everywhere. It was chaos. "Stop!" cried Ava. "I'll never get to sleep like this."
"Wow," said the sheep. "Who knew we'd be so hard to replace?"
"I knew," Ava replied. "You always show up for work. You line up nicely and jump calmly. You're fluffy and peaceful and perfect."
"Well," said one sheep, "it's nice to be appreciated."
"Please, will you stay?" begged Ava. "I need you to help me fall asleep."
"Don't worry," said the sheep. "You can count on us."
So she did. The end.